So, you want to make money while you sleep? Yeah, we've all heard that phrase 1,000 times. But let's be real. Most passive income advice out there is either outdated, overhyped, or just straight up garbage. Selling print-on-demand t-shirts? Good luck making more than $20 a month. Starting a dropshipping store? If you enjoy burning cash on Facebook ads, be my guest. But here's the thing. Passive income is real, if you know what actually works. And in 2025, the game has changed. What worked 5 years ago might not work today, but new opportunities are opening up. So in this video, I'm breaking down 5 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. The ones that can make real money, not just pennies. And here's the kicker. Some of these are so underrated that barely anyone is talking about them yet. Stick around because by the time we get to number 1, you'll be kicking yourself for not starting sooner. All right, before we jump in, let me ask you this. How many times have you searched for passive income ideas only to end up watching some guy tell you to start a blog or open a savings account? Yeah, not helpful. See, the biggest mistake people make is wasting time on things that don't scale. You need something that keeps making money whether you're working, traveling, or binging Netflix. And that's exactly what we're getting into today. Let's start with the first one, a cash flow machine hiding in plain sight. 1. Automated YouTube cash cow channels. YouTube is the best passive income stream in 2025. But wait, before you roll your eyes thinking, I don't want to be a YouTuber, hear me out. I'm not talking about showing your face or vlogging your breakfast. I'm talking about YouTube automation. Here's how it works. You pick a high-paying niche, finance, tech, luxury, or business. You outsource everything, script writing, video editing, voiceovers. You upload videos, let YouTube's algorithm do the magic, and get paid through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. And the best part? Once a video is up, it keeps making money for months or even years. But before you get too excited, there's a catch. You can't just post generic videos and expect to go viral. You need a strategy, and that's where most people fail. Speaking of strategies, the next income idea is so powerful that even billionaires are quietly using it to multiply their wealth. 2. Digital assets and AI-powered products. You've heard the phrase, the future is AI. But here's what no one tells you. The future belongs to those who own AI-powered assets. Let me explain. Right now, businesses, creators, and even students are desperate for AI-powered tools. Things like AI-generated voiceovers, AI scriptwriting tools, custom AI chatbots. And the best part? You don't need to be a coder to make money from this. You can license AI-generated assets, sell AI-generated templates, logos, or presentations, resell AI tools on platforms like Gumroad, create AI-powered courses or ebooks. People are paying thousands for these, and the market is only getting bigger. And if you think that's wild, wait till you hear about this next passive income stream. It's practically an online real estate empire. 3. Buying and monetizing websites. If you could own a virtual piece of real estate that generates money 24/7, would you? That's exactly what happens when you buy and monetize websites. And no, I'm not talking about starting a blog from scratch. That's slow. I'm talking about buying existing websites that already make money and scaling them up. There are marketplaces like Flippa and Empire Flippers where people sell profitable websites. You buy one, improve it with better content, SEO, or ads, and boom, passive income. And guess what? Some sites sell for just a few $100s, but can generate hundreds per month if you optimize them right. This is digital real estate, and the opportunities are insane. But if you don't want to deal with websites, don't worry. This next idea is so simple that you could start making money from your phone today. 4. High-ticket affiliate marketing. Most people think affiliate marketing is about making $2 per sale on Amazon. That's outdated. High-ticket affiliate marketing is where the real money is. Instead of promoting cheap products, you promote premium services or software that pay $500 to $2,000 per sale. Here's how. Sign up for high-ticket affiliate programs. Think software, investment platforms, or online education. Create simple content, shorts, reels, blog posts, around it. Drive traffic and collect commissions. For example, there are finance apps and investing platforms that pay you $1,000 per referral. You don't need thousands of views. Just a few sales per month can make serious passive income. And if you're thinking, okay, but what if I want something even more hands-off? Well, this final method is so underrated that only the smartest investors are cashing in. 5. Dividend stocks and cash-flowing investments. Let's talk about real passive income, the kind where you literally do nothing and the money still rolls in. Enter dividend stocks and cash-flowing assets. Instead of gambling on crypto or meme stocks, you invest in companies that pay you just for holding their shares. For example, if you own dividend stocks like Coca-Cola or Apple, they pay you every quarter. No work, no stress, just cash flow. And if you take it a step further, you can invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts, which pay even higher dividends without owning property. This is how the rich stay rich, by making their money work for them. Now, imagine combining 2 or 3 of these income streams. In a year, you could be making serious passive income. But here's the real question. Are you actually going to take action? Here's the thing. Most people watch videos like this and do nothing. But not you. If you made it this far, it means you're serious about building wealth. So here's what I want you to do. Step 1. Comment below which passive income idea you're going to try first. Step 2. Hit that like button. Because let's be honest, this video gave you more value than 90% of other finance videos. Step 3. Subscribe and turn on notifications, because in my next video, I'm revealing a step-by-step guide to starting your first passive income stream from scratch. See you in the next one.